Hello and welcome to the Hannover Exhibition 2025. Today we want to show you how to assemble a tiger, inclusive our quality inspections through machine vision, and finally how the packaging process looks like. At the first step we have to dress up the tiger, so we will select our serial number for this product. Within 42Q you're going to see visually what you have to do next. On the left side you get instructions about what kind of parameters you have to enter into the system. And so he's asking first of all, what kind of animal do I assemble today? So it's our mascot, Arthur. So I'm going to select the serial number. The next step is, select the t-shirt color you put on the tiger. So also there I select now a white shirt, and the next step is put the white shirt onto the tiger. That's what I'm going to do. And here we go. The tiger is ready to go for the final inspection. I'm going to check the box like that the tiger is well dressed in order to finalize this process step. Once that's done, I get a serial number for this product, and through that serial number we do all the track and tracing throughout the production process. So behind the serial number we know, for example, that this is a tiger with a white shirt and not a tiger with a red or a black shirt. I'll show you a little bit more at the next step. Thanks and see you in a bit.